Why is my game capture not capturing? It should be. Also, you go on this monitor. I hit L. No. Why you no work? I don't know, I can just change this to window capture. Sorry, a bit of technical difficulties. Display, alright, I can do window. Please enter name of source. Counter Strike. Done. Click. Aha. There we go. Oh god. Proceed. Okay. I can't hear anything, so it's gonna be crap. But we should be fine. I suck at this game and I haven't done any purchases.
Let's roll.
Y'all ever see this guy's teeth? It just looks weird to me. God, I hope y'all can hear this. Last time I was doing it and y'all couldn't hear me. I'm doing deathmatch. Oh, and I'm dead. SMD, Dobrettas. Ow. Oh, this sucks. How are you today? Oh, ow. That wasn't. Oh god, my computer hates this game. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that y'all can actually hear me. Hopefully. Y'all can hear my desktop audio. Do I have anything running in the background? No. But I don't know if y'all could hear me. Maybe I'll just wait till I get a viewer. I'm taking these with me. It's useful. Real gaming. You know what? I'll take it. It works. Alright, I am sorry about that one. We are back. I can't hear anything once again. Sorry about that. Oh, we'll put it back on there. I got the little bing bong up here. Look at me.
Let's roll.
Actually, I probably shouldn't do that. Y'all can see my friends list. Oopsies. No one's here other than me just checking. No one sent any messages. Spice. Let's do an AK. I heard they're pretty good on deathmatch. If you can aim the hunting shot, yeah. So I'm gonna go back to my XM 1014. Or 114. God, I suck at this game. A woman. It's doing good. So, everyone doing good? I'm certainly doing good. Ow. Okay. What? It's like, so let's say Jesus enters my car and starts driving recklessly. Damn. What? Is that introduced from Sonic or whatever? Oh, finally. Damn. 40 Star Trek Nova? When is that a gun? When has Star Trek... Oh, I thought the game crashed. Google Drive? Google Drive? What are these usernames? Sorry, I'm probably deafening y'all. Dust 2. Classic choice. Google Drive. I still can't get over that. You know what? I'm not gonna question it. Not going to question it. I wish I could like see my hand motions, but I'm faceless, so I really can't. Cause I mean, why would I let y'all say they got a mask on my face? Damn, some people just can't. Oh, sorry about that one. I don't know why I buy the Zeus. I just really like it. Even though I never use it at all. Morning, John. what I'd buy in normal matches because, like, what if I don't need to kill them? I just need a ton of. Was I kill them? I don't even know. Die. You should also die. You should also leave. Never mind. Darth. Star Trek. Also, double Berettas. Really cool. Except reload. Bro, just the Desert Eagle? He got me with a pistol? Damn. Some people really are better at this. Ragnaros. Damn. Really bad today. Counter-Strike 2. Damn, I'm up there. I am up. Ragnaros. Never mind, I'm not. Me, I guess. I'm gaming today. I wish I could hear stuff. That would be better. Ooh, that is 49. What is that? Freaking profile picture. Damn, one net. They're doing pretty good. I say as I die to the guy behind me, Paranova. Hey, you were in the top 3 in the last one, Paranova. Let some other people get a bit of a chance. Nope, never mind, he's not. Soft. Asia. You all remember that? I know there's like a big meme where everyone's just copying, like screen recording on the shorts. Twitch, TikTok, OTT. It's you! Okay, let's choose a different gun. How about a P90? Classic. This one at least. And they're also pretty good. At least if you're good at using the gun. Which I am actually pretty good with P90. God, no one's here. Man, why do I even stream? I just want to go f myself. Die. Die. Oh, I reloaded and you still I got him. Bonus weapon. No thanks, I'll stick with my P90. Damn. I was doing pretty good there. You'll see that? Apparently not, because there's no one here. Waiting for no one being here. I'm probably right about that. You do. Someone just jumped onto my head and didn't even notice. Wow. How are y'all so, like, deaf? Not deaf, blind. And I'm dead. I heard of... Not heard, I do this. Just wait with invulnerability. You can also wait for people that are as dumb as this guy, so that you can just get a good kill. Well, you're counter terror. Don't actually. I don't like it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No one even here. Oh, first time watching, really enjoyed it. Thank you sometime. Finally, someone's here. Sorry, you're fine. Lobby. I'll just call you Baba. Is that fine with you? I feel like a bot. I feel like you're a bot. I don't know why. Once the stream's done, you can still be here. Someone says they found me from like a game. First time watching, really. Good AU fine. Man, he does spin. Oh, and I'm dead. That thing uses. Weird guy in 226. Not weird, but it's sofa. Damn! I didn't even see it. Is that weird? Unlucky atomic. The Glock? They just got me with a pistol? Headshot. Where? Nice. Unlucky atomic again. Is that also specify? Is that your Steam username? Like on Epic Games? What is it? I just need to do specification. If you're actually a real person. Damn. That wasn't me. I'm surprised they're not using the elevator. Why not? I understand. I was trying to kill that person. They're probably gone. Ring round the rosy box full of the ashes will fall down. What? You can't crouch. I can just. I guess you can crouch. I just did it. P9. Let's go back to the good one. Bam. Not bam. I didn't even hit. Bro, what's this resolution? I need to turn down. Why was my W? Damn. These people are doing pretty good. Why did I do that? Damn. What were you trying to shoot, bro? No one's even over there. What were they trying to shoot? I need someone to explain. No. Bro, I just started looking at my gun. Hi. Who got them? Damn, there's just bombs left and right. Oh, well, that's enough for me. Is there a way I can change it to where I'm on a stream? No. Mobile. No thanks. Bruh. Okay, y'all don't have the best resolution. Going to Twitch.
I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait!
Shut up.
I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
Channel.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
Check if you're
You're in
watching
spin?
Wait!
later.
I am in Spain without the A.
Have you
You're in spin?
Have you had
Wait!
While.
I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Anyway,
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait!
I
I am in Spain without the A.
so I
You're in
have to
spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
game my
You're in spin?
Wait!
Six
I am in
followers.
Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
So it-
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait! I am in Spain without the A.
You're in spin?
Wait!
Oh my god. Was that playing in the background? Yeah. I'm sorry if that was absolutely no one because no one's here. I'm gonna do casual. I'm a lot better at, well, nothing in this game. Honestly, we might switch to something else. Well, we as in, if anyone was actually here. Do, 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 do. Oh, match is ready. Mirage.
Let's roll.
How the it said. Ah, God, what happened to his head?
You went for it,
Did
Nick.
y'all see that? Well, guess I'm going counter-terrorist.
Bomb has been planted.
Bomb has been planted.
Smoke.
I don't know if I should look David AO5 up. I feel like you're a bot trying to get up.
My bad, sorry.
Mr.
Yeah, good try, boys.
Demons.
He got it! No way!
Yay.
We're,
Counter-terrorist.
you are the best.
Contact squad.
Well, let's get ready to play,
packed.
everybody.
Why team, bro?
P90 Dobrados.
Come on, man.
Let's move out.
They're going B every time.
Slash fine. Oh my.
Deploying
I'm trying to remember
flashbang.
this map.
Deploying flashbang. Incendiary.
Ooh, I can't see. Help me.
They're probably going B again.
Over here. Nobody.
Go B, go B.
Still no one. Is this a buy zone? Can I buy?
Throwing a grenade.
There, buy.
Throwing fire.
Well, we can get over to the others from here. Dr. House. No, I'm okay. okay with it.
Good. Plant.
Oh wait, what the flip? Nothing. Hello? Can I put stuff above this? No. Source properties. Hold on. Yeah, I was wondering. Game capture. We can add that. Mode. Capture specific window. Window Counter-Strike. Close. Then I can put this. Oh, so if I go back to CS, y'all can't see it. Why can't y'all see CS? We're removing Game Pulse. No, I'm okay. Let's just do it a monitor. We'll call it display capture. And we can do this monitor. Y'all are seeing what I'm seeing, so I can't put anything above it. That's weird. We walk in. Nothing happens. I at least want viewer. Oh. What about emote wall? Then chat box. Then alert box. Okay. Okay. But now. Oh, y'all are seeing the game. Okay. I got it fixed. Phew. I'm in. I forgot. We're actually playing the game. Sorry about that, team. Gotta defuse bombs and stuff, right? That's what we're doing today? Bombs? I don't know. Can I go back to the buy zone and buy my loadout, P90 and stuff? No one's here. What the flip? The 45 is expired. Well, I guess I'm sticking with the P2000. Oh god. There's an enemy. Well, not anymore, I don't think. Sure. I'll take an M4A1. If it stands still, it's fine. As soon as I start moving, they're not so fine anymore.
Terrorists win. Nice.
I was essential. I'm gonna take this guy. Way better. Still no one? It's been 20 minutes of freaking CS.
Okay, bro. Good job.
We are out of here.
CS2 is pretty popular, but I'm not, so that's probably why. Smoke grenade.
Incendiary out.
I have one.
Throwing flashbang.
Why? Mr. Squidward. I was in the middle of throwing it, and then it just kind of didn't. Sorry, I know y'all's view is my view, so whatever's on that monitor is what you want. It goes black when I click off of the monitor. No one has like
Boy.
stuff in their profile picture. Yeah. Good job, Doc KS, whatever your name is. No one's gonna assume I'm a Twitch streamer. So if I change my username, then people could find me through my user. You know, I'm not doing that because my username's like so long, and then you have to put the underscore and then TTP. Or I guess you just put TTP, which is fine. Yes, I don't know what you're talking about. No one's gonna watch this back and be like, oh, yeah, he makes sense.
Go away.
You're not shooting almost got that. I think there's 2 people left on T and CT.
Ah, hey,
Yeah,
hey,
terrorists
hey.
and counter-terrorists just camping. I know. So
How?
Counter-terrorists win.
Good job.
Thank you for this.
yay!
Job well done
I
now, son.
didn't do anything.
GG's.
Kill deficit. I think M-U-G-G. Oh. I don't know. Friendly fire off. Team collision off. 50% kill rate. What about this sucks? I'm going terrorists. Counter-terrorists win. Why didn't I put grenades? High explosive grenade. Friendly fire being off was dumb. You should be able to fire your friendlies. They're coming out of my mouth.
Up against your bitches.
Hey, I mean, at least I threw the grenade that time. No, they'll do it. Voila, you got a team of a team.
I'm throwing a grenade.
It was kind of dumb of me. Got him. Got 1 kill.
Throwing smoke.
I was trying to kill that one, but then got me. Ah, crap. Molotov. Wait, can I just click on the P90? What the? Why did I open the console? Get out of here. No. Oh. I can't move. No. I'll just get a high explosive and do the rest. I don't think I will need anything else. Oh, I'm glad I don't have it.
Go away, go away. Everybody
Where's
go
the
away.
bomb guy going? No bomb guy, you go this way. Bomb guy? Get him right for Mr. Rudolph. Grenade and then you win. So cool. But it's not. Be careful, bomb guy.
Smoke.
Going over to bomb guy.
I'm planting.
Yes.
Bomb has been planted.
Chung Just a desert eagle.
Terrorists win. Yeah.
You fucking pussies. Don't up your bitch.
Actually,
This is what we have been
I
working
don't
for.
think that they're a real person. I think they're a black.
Throwing a flashbang.
I don't know where bomb guy is,
Grenade.
but throw a high explosive. Ow. Can I like throw a flashbang above it? No, apparently not. Man, septic tank worker. What's that username?
They're not gonna.
Oh, here I am. Yes, I know. Y'all can't see. Even if
Terrorists win.
Attack your bitch.
which there is no way here. That's so sad. And
I'm with you.
it makes me sad.
This is our fight.
Okay, bomb guys, go over here so we go with bomb guy.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
What's the name with Dr. House? Not yet. Last time. Flashbang. one over there. Everybody here. Hold on, I know. Shut up. How do I... No. That makes it worse. I just wanted to pop this out. You could just do this up. Go to Firefox, Twitch. Pop out chat. That's what I wanted to do. And I don't really need anything else. I just need to make it big. Okay. Now I can see chat. It's pretty wonky display. Do you have the bomb? You grabbed it. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Should we do like the Streamlabs over there? Maybe I should get Molotovs. Yeah, I think I would get Molotovs. Molotov seems better. So, instead of I accidentally grabbed
Go B, go B, go B, go B.
a decoy. Wait, if I throw it. Molotov. Ah,
Go B, everybody go B, everybody go B. And clean B, then get smoke.
of course. Anyway.
Throwing fire.
Anyways, friendly fires on.
Go, and
Fire. What are you doing? Smack. Ow. Taylor, sound me? I don't know. Delay or something? Obviously a timer. But like, when I say like, you'll hear it like 5 seconds after. Like, I hate that. Again, I think the right thing. Not good. The bloody-handed Halo, the Master Chief Collection? Dude. Oh no, they gave me the bomb, bro.
We must move.
No, I don't want this. Let's do P90.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
What am I supposed to do? It's not what I meant. I'm trying to throw it that way.
Throwing a flashbang.
Flashbang. Smoke grenade. I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what I'm doing. Why do people think it's good to give me bombs? I don't like bombs. What did the...
I'm planting the bomb.
Bomb. Beep, 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 beep. I know we protect this bomb with our life. And I mean life. I would die for this bomb. Yeah, I literally died for this bomb. No! Get him! Get him! No! Why did you lose that job? I got 3 kills. I got 3 kills. That's why you don't give me bombs. I'm gonna screw it up further. Let's go this way.
Throwing a flashbang.
Going flashback.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
Smoke grenade. Molotov. What? You're gonna throw Molotov? I'm gonna throw a Molotov. We'll make it fair.
I'm throwing a grenade.
I think that's enough CSGO. CS2 for me. We're gonna edit this to be gaming. Doing what game should we play, chat? Not Counter-Strike, I suck. Look, y'all have my entire game selection. Other than like the multiplayer games. Or Goose Goose Duck. I can't get that game to work at all. What game should we do? You know what? FPS chess. Why not? Let's do it. None. Twitch tags. We get rid of CS2. Chess. FPS. Update. Alright, now let's actually open the game. One viewer, and that's just myself. I hate how I talk to no one. DigiPen. Well, watch my stream. Create room. Well, I hope the player joins my stream. You really wanna? My pawn game's pretty good. Got him straight in the head. Throw him around. Boom. Told you my pawn game is pretty good. Just kinda wham. That goes. Get up to him. Whack. Just give me a one-way ticket to the king. Go there. Sucks. What are you doing? Genuinely, I am so confused. What are you trying to do? Nobody plays chess, therefore, be a pretty substantial. But again, nobody's gonna watch it, so why even care? Okay, let's do something else. Edit stream title description. What game should we do now? Planet Grafter? This be something that'll get people to join. I can't do 3D because my microphone and headphones, I can't hear anything. I could do Mongi. Doing Mongi. Just Mongi. Among Us. Change these. Among Us. Update. Imagine someone joins like immediately. I mean, a lot of people just go here to find streams. Oh, hello. Someone's here. I see you. Well, I don't actually see you. I got another viewer, finally. One of those is just me in the background. Hello, Mr. or Mrs. it in chat. Oh, hold on. Technical difficulty. Put it in chat. Also, don't worry about the... What am I? Just it's close. Don't mind lava. Let's go. Put it in the chat. Oh, Maurice, what's up? Or Maurice, however you want to say it. Oh God, what is this speed? And it's flipped. Oh no, I hate it. Well, I guess I'm dealing with a flipped map. Luckily, we barely have any tiles. Love. Familiar. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where? Refresh chat? Will I see something if I just refresh chat? No. I'm just gonna exit chat. The in-game chat, I guess. Guess we're skipping. Cool. Cool. Hi. Something to keep me sane. But is Maurice streaming right now? Twitch. No. Oh yeah. He is. It's already muted. Well. Oh god, I hate backwards Moggy. Oh, cool. I'm just gonna leave. Let's do just chatting. Do you want to see the void? No desktop audio. I know there's no one in here, but I don't have anything else to do. Why is that move? I don't like that moving. Go back to middle of screen. There. Well, I'm just gonna end it here, I guess.